Dude, I barely even made mistakes and still. Shit. This is an interesting battle. That was a good battle right there. We've got green shells. They're the penetrating shells. Oh man, we finally get to use the green shells on enemies. We never got this before. First time green shells on enemies. No! Shit, dude, what is gonna happen here? There's 929 enemies to kill! Tempest of Violence is upon us. Okay, it's time. Oh shit! Oh man! What an amazing game! That game was a masterful, amazing, shockingly clever, intelligent. Because it was quite a masterful work. It's just like, it's just so clever. Like it's just such a clever such a clever game all the way throughout. Like really amazing stuff.